buckle up, I'm scared for this video. That was really disgusting. This wig sucks. I know you can see my hair. I don't really care right now. I just want to be blonde. Yeehaw, everybody. It is me, Aliyah, and welcome back to my channel. Yay, 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 yay. Insert a banjo, please. Today, we're going to be doing something not really original, but I couldn't think of anything else to do. I'm going to be doing a fun video that James Charles did like a long while ago, probably almost a year ago. He sang his makeup routine. So I'm going to do that. So how this is gonna work is I asked my sister Kayla to send me a playlist of songs that I would have to sing to. She found the instrumentals and she made a playlist for me, so I'm about to open my MacBook, my crappy used MacBook, and see all the songs she sent me and sing while I'm doing my face routine. I'm really annoyed because I never do my full face on YouTube and I'm not looking forward to it because, oh my gosh. Anyways, I don't want to do my full face, but I feel like it's going to make the video interesting if I do the whole face. So I'm going to do the whole face. So my brows, everything, which I hate doing on camera. If you're excited to watch me flop, give this video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I post, baby. So, the first song on the list is No Tears Left to Cry, and the first thing I have to do is my brows. I'm like scared. I hate doing my brows on camera. Ain't got no tears in my body, I ran out cause I have brows now. Brows now, brows now. Don't matter what they look like before cause I got brows now. Brows now, brows now. Coming out, I don't look ugly no more, I can't stop now, can't stop cause I got brows. And if you don't know, then now look at my face before and after, babe. Right now I'm in a state of mind. Ain't got no tears to cry cause I'm covering my brows. I got brows, I'm loving, I'm living. This is what happens when I do my brows on camera. I'm really hot, so my brows are ugly, my brows are ugly. This is what happens when I do them on camera. I can't do my brows on camera. No, I'm gonna die. Point out how ugly this looks. I got one more to do and I'm scared. Yeah, I'm scared. I'm using James Charles palette to do my brows cause I got a more dip brow. No dip brow, no dip brow. Literally, this is the thickest I've ever made my brows in my entire life, and I'm very concerned and very annoyed and very disappointed in myself. Now it's time for foundation, and I already put some on my forehead because this wig is a situation and I'm not unveiling that right now. I'm sister scared. By the way, this is going to be my best singing. I literally just woke up an hour ago. My vocals aren't, warmed up, and I just drank ice cold water, which doesn't help your vocal cords literally at all. Breaking Free from High School Musical. Are you joking? Kayla? But soaring, matching. There's not a shade in heaven that we can match. If we're trying, then we're matching our shades to our faces. Ooh, yeah. So bad. Blending in till my wrist hurts, so everyone can see my foundation don't match. Swatching, there's not a shade that ever matches my face. I've been trying, nothing matches me. Ooh, I'm shopping, ooh, buying to find a color that could match my neck. But I look ashy on camera, I can't find a shade, and I know that I see it coming. Now when you take a pic in that flash, I look sick, both of us looking gross. We're running, ooh, crawling to get to a store that has a good shade range. You know the world uses makeup, so why not make shades for think that one was better than the first. It had a rough start. Next, Kayla chose Stay With Me by Sam Smith, which I'm crying because vocals not on fleek. Let's just do it. Guess it's true, I'm not good at making matches with my concealer or foundation. I don't know how to match, will you hold my hand? Oh, please conceal my dark eyes, 'cause I got no sleep last night. I don't want to look dead, so please conceal my eyes. Why does this look so bad on me? No, it's not a good look, get it together, honey. And deep down I know this never works, but I use Facetune so it doesn't hurt. Oh, help me, I look ugly. I must conceal my face. I'm using cheap concealer, 'cause I bought the wrong shade from ColourPop. Please help me. I bought the wrong shade, honey. That was an absolute mess. I apologize. Okie dokes. Now I'm going to contour, and the song for that is Sorry Not Sorry by Demi Lovato. Love you, Demi, but I don't know how well this is gonna go. Now I'm out here looking like a flop. I got no cheekbones, the worst I've ever looked. And yeah, I know I need to contour so I can look like I am cute, at least somewhat. Now you're out here looking so chiseled, getting her face, I look okay. And yeah, I know this contour just saved my life, and now I am Insta ready. If my cheekbones aren't carved enough, I will cry, 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 'cause I'm ugly, boo-hoo. And I could face you then if I really wanted, but nah. Baby, I need to look attractive, so I'm contouring my face, yeah. I can't sing, so fix this song. Carve those cheeks, baby. Better carve them cheeks, baby. If you don't go and carve them cheeks, baby, you're gonna have a double chin, baby. Oh yeah, carve that chin, baby. Better carve that chin, baby. If you don't carve that chin, baby, you gonna look like you have a double chin, baby. Oh yeah, yeah. Baby, you need to carve those cheeks. You look like a whole potato. Carve your cheekbones so you look like Beyonce. Now it's time to bake, and my sister chose Sunflower by Post Malone because that's like her favorite song right now. Some days you look really oily, you probably need something to fix it. Well, I got the right thing, and you'll be left in the dust. You got too much powder, yeah, I got air spun. Don't want a scandal like James Charles, and you'll be left in the dust. You got too much powder, and I got air spun. Don't want a scandal like James Charles. To get a fine line, get your beauty blender. Carve along your cheekbone curve. Then you gon' look real nice and look like you got cheekbones on your face. That's such a short song. That one was good, not gonna lie. Let's do Blushy Blush. And my song is Boot Up by Aliyah. Colorless, my face needs some color, 'cause I look like I'm dead, so I need to look alive. I need some color, 'cause I look pretty dead. Need to look revived. Blush, blushed up, baby, blushed, blushed up, blushed. We just won't stop, we go, oh. Now I look like I got color on my face. I don't know how the rest of this goes, so I'm just gonna put blush on my face. Yay, yays, yays. Feelings, I need to look like emo. Put some blush on my face. Blush, it looks like I look nice. Don't know how I used to not. wear blush cause I look dumb. See my face, it's blush, blush up, blush. We just don't stop, we go. That's literally enough. I hated that. That was awful. So now I'm gonna do, so now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and the next song is A-Team by Ed Sheeran, so see how that goes. And they say her eyeliner is dull, it can't cut no one. Been this way since 18, but lately she learned how to make her eyeliner sharp. And now these hoes could never compete with her liner, cause now she can get them to look even, and they even look like twins. She don't wanna go outside tonight, cause if she goes, her wings might cut some men, and then she'll probably go to jail. It's her wings will fly any night she could fly. I can't figure it out. I was trying to make something up about how her wings could fly, cause it's eyeliner. An angel would die, cause her wings are shut. What? An angel will die, her wings are sharp. They cut their wings and then the angels died. And from the paintbrush she cuts her lashes, and then she paints her wing. She don't wanna go outside tonight, cause today her wings are uneven, and if she leaves they'll make fun of her. It's too uneven for her wings to fly, her wings to fly, to fly, fly, for her wings to fly, to fly, to fly, her wings to fly. That was probably the worst one. Okay, so now it's time for highlights. So I'm gonna do some of this action and then we're gonna highlight. Next is highlight, and the song that's next is Breathin' by Ariana Grande. Some days I look at my face and I feel like I look so dull. I need to grab my color pop and look at this shimmer. It's gonna say this look, cause I look so ugly. Get my set and spray so I can shine really bright, yeah. I need to do this or I look stupid. Just keep blinding and blinding and blinding and blinding. You know I gotta keep on blinding. Keep blinding and blinding and blinding and blinding. You know I gotta keep on blinding. And sometimes it's hard to find the perfect highlighter, but we can't find it. Just look at ColourPop. Luster does. They'll make your face look real bright, and they'll snatch up your nose too. Okay, I'm gonna put my lashes on, I'll be right back. Okay, so last but not least, we have my lippy lips, and the next song is, well, the next song I'm choosing, because the next one is Beautiful Girl, but that's stupid, so we're doing Grenade by Bruno Mars. Juvederm, Juvederm, that's just what I got. Oh, inject, 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 oh, so I got some lips. Should've known they were trouble from Kylie Jenner's lips. Now my lips look crooked. Why are they crooked? What you don't understand is I'd pay all my money, yeah, yeah, buy all the lip kits, yeah, yeah. You know I'd do anything for them. Oh, oh, I would go through all this pain. Get Juvederm to the max. Yes, I would die for my lips, but now they look crooked. Black, black, black and blue. Inject them to the numb. Tell Kylie I'm coming for her brand, cause look how good and plump my lips look now. Yeah, I got all my injections out. Ooh, learn how to line, and now I look so good. Now I look so good, yes I do. Don't need no Juvederm, cause this pencil's got my back. We can overline now, cause I am talented. If my lipstick wasn't fire, oh, my lips would look busted. Said no injections, you're a liar, 'cause you never, ever can lie that good. But darling, I still get you return, yeah, yeah. So my lips can look plump, yeah, yeah. I go to the doctor and get lots of injections. Oh, I would go through all this pain. Take a needle straight to my lips. Yes, I would die for my lips too. Look plump but never crooked. Now they're crooked. Now they're crooked. Ooh, now they're crooked. No, 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 no. Amazing. Okay, maybe I'll sing one more, like, to, like, be like a farewell, you know? Okay, I'll try to do Crank That Soldier Boy as a finale. I'm terrified. Aliyah, be a tell. I got a new video called Sing My Makeup Tutorial for y'all. Be Aliyah, be up in the place, beating up my. I can't. Aliyah, be up in this hoe. Wait, why can't I remember how it goes? Aliyah, be up in this hoe, beating face, I'm getting dough. Watch me put my highlight on, I set my face and go. Ow! I just ate it. Soldier boy up in there, setting up my face and go. Concealer and contour and powder foundation. Ho! Yes! That is good enough for me. That's as good as it's gonna get. Was this good? No. Did I try? Yeah. Would I do this again? For views? Probably. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It's that bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I post. This is my makeup look. I hope you liked it. And I hope you enjoyed me singing cringingly. And I'll see you guys next time, okay? Love you. Bye. No, why would we bring that? Superman.